The Health and Social Care Committee at the National Assembly for Wales decided to look into the issue of new psychoactive substances, or NPS, because their use has grown in Wales and elsewhere in recent years. The health and social harms caused by NPS use are worrying, and we wanted to shine a light on the practical steps that need to be taken to allow people to make more informed decisions about using these substances. We were told that 60 deaths involving NPS were reported in England and Wales during 2013, 15% higher than the previous year. Although the number of deaths associated with alcohol and other substance misuse is higher, we are concerned to hear that the use of NPS has grown. The inquiry itself received 1,072 survey responses. We held 8 evidence sessions with 23 witnesses. Focus groups held in Wrexham and Merthyr to hear directly from frontline staff. Committee members visited Dan 24/7, the LOTS, or Life on the Streets project, the Merthyr Youth Club and Drug Aid. We have made 14 recommendations in the report. We think the UK government should move as quickly as possible to implement a ban on the supply of NPS. However, it's clear from our inquiry that changing the law will not solve the problem altogether. Improved substance misuse education in schools, increased public awareness and better treatment services are just as important for ensuring that the number of NPS users in Wales is reduced. The public needs to be made aware that these so-called legal highs are often neither safe nor legal. Their side effects can be as serious as those caused by illegal drugs, and they can be as addictive and damaging too. The Welsh Government is expected to respond to the committee's report and recommendations by the end of May 2015. Once the response is received, the committee will ask the topic to be debated by all Assembly members in the chamber. This will be an opportunity to ask questions to the Minister about what steps will be taken to deliver the committee's 14 recommendations and to draw more attention to this important topic. More information about our inquiry can be found on our website, or for the latest, you can follow us on Twitter @Senedd Health.